GM guys, this is Solid Crypto Academy, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how to complete the ME730 update on MEPAS wallet. Right, so MEPAS wallet is the update we have been earning from since 2024, and in fact, the whole community is actually doing well on it, and I'm actually buying the token too. Right, so in case you want to sell, you can just message me on WhatsApp and you can sell to me. All right, so there's a new update on this, and the update, immediately you click on, you open your app, you see the update. Win up to 20,000 USDT. Latest ME730 leaderboard updates reviewed. The ME730 grand prize settlement in its final 2 months countdown. Currently, top one on the sharing leaderboard has 198 retweets, and top one on the UBI contribution leader has 573 people. The gap is extremely small. Join now, spin for the top, and seize your maximum 20,000 USDT reward. Please head to the event page immediately, log in with your S account, and complete the authorization. Attention, early participants, your data require S authorization to be included in the real-time leaderboard. Please click submit entry. All right, so this is what they mean. All right, this is what they mean. What they mean is that if you have been contributing, inviting, checking in daily, all you just need to do, because they are actually celebrating 2 years in existence, 2 years of launching, and that is massive. That is massive. We have been with them since they are actually on testnet phase, and now they are on mainnet phase. Honestly, their token is really, really a good one. All right, so all you just need to do is click on this bind now and lock in reward. When you click on it, it should take you to this page. Right, so while it is loading, you can join our community. We have lively community where we post updates every day. All right, so you can see here the series Past Survivor and Peace celebrating Meta Earth second anniversary. All right, and they have over 6 million people now. Do you believe that we joined when they are around 200k people? Now there are 6 million people. That is to tell you this project is massive, consistency, and honestly. All right, so this is my dashboard. They said you have been creating real impact on Meta at 595 days. That is like almost 2 years. You can see that, and you have earned 29.6 MEC. And you have helped 284 users. Global ranking 0.03 what's it called? 7%. National ranking is 0.045%. You can see it. You can see it. We have put in a lot of work here. None of this would have been possible without Meta Earth. All right. So you now click, and you can see I'm number 24 right now. I'm number 24 on the sharing leaderboard. All right. I'm number 24. So this is what you need to understand. When you click on this place, when you click on that place, you will see the reason why it takes me here is because I've already what's it called now? I've already done my own, like connect my S and submit the entry. All you just need to do, because if you are already in our community, you would have known that I've already posted this since, but they said we should redo it. All right, so for you to redo it, all you just need to do, click on that place, log into your S. Normally to log into one S will not allow you to log in without normal proper securities. So what you just need to do, go to your S account, activate the what's it called now? Activate the two-factor authentication. When you activate the two-factor authentication on your S account, S will allow you to log in on any app. That's where some of you are having the issue. S will now allow you to log in, because they know that before anybody can log in, the person have to have access to your what's it called? To your what's it called now? Your authenticator. You understand? So that is about that. That is about that. Then after you just do that, you just go to your normal post on S, and you should, if you're in our community, you should have at least 10, because you need to have at least 10 retweets for you to qualify. All right, so I have at least 10 retweets, and that's why I qualified. Right, so make sure if you don't have any follower, you don't have people that can help you share, join our community. The description of this video or the comment section will contain our link to our various communities, and join and also share your link so that others can help, and you also help others. That is how we do in our community. All right, so if you have more questions on this, please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know, because I'm always ready to help. I'm always ready to help. I'm always ready to help. So you see, this is me here, and I share it 10 times. I share it 10 times. So I'll still make sure we share more. I'm currently 24. Right, let me see the leaderboard. Okay, let me see UBI contribution leaderboard. On UBI contribution leaderboard, where am I? 205. Wow. People are really crazy. You see how many people these people have really helped. Wow, this is crazy. Honestly, this is crazy. So be consistent on this. If you want to sell your token, just message me on WhatsApp. I'm active on WhatsApp, right? And if you are in our Telegram community, you can also message me, right? So see you in the next video. And if you still don't understand, join our community and ask questions, right? You're welcome. See you in the next video.